Welcome to our PSU Showdown. Today, we're comparing two power supply units that cater to different needs in the PC building community. On one side, we have the Thermaltake Smart 700W, an affordable option designed for entry-level systems. On the other, the CORSAIR RM1000e, a premium PSU that promises high efficiency and future-proofing for high-end builds. Let's see how they stack up against each other in terms of price, power capacity, efficiency, modularity, and warranty. When it comes to price, the Thermaltake Smart 700W stands out as a budget-friendly option at just $67. This makes it an attractive choice for those looking to build a system without breaking the bank. In contrast, the CORSAIR RM1000e comes with a significantly higher price tag of $209, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. While the Thermaltake offers great value for entry-level builds, the CORSAIR targets enthusiasts willing to invest more for superior performance. Power capacity is another critical factor in choosing a PSU. The Thermaltake Smart 700W provides a solid 700W of continuous power, which is sufficient for basic gaming and computing needs. However, for users with high-performance components, the CORSAIR RM1000e offers a robust 1000W output, ensuring that even the most demanding systems can run smoothly without power shortages. This makes the CORSAIR a better option for future-proofing and high-end builds. Efficiency is crucial for both performance and energy savings. The Thermaltake Smart 700W is rated 80+ white, which indicates basic efficiency, meaning it may generate more heat and waste energy compared to higher-rated units. On the other hand, the CORSAIR RM1000e boasts a cybernetics gold efficiency rating, ensuring minimal energy waste and lower operating temperatures. This efficiency translates to better performance and lower electricity bills over time. In conclusion, the choice between the Thermaltake Smart 700W and the CORSAIR RM1000e ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a reliable, cost-effective PSU for a basic build, the Thermaltake is a great option. However, if you want a high-performance, future-proof power supply that can handle demanding components, the CORSAIR RM1000e is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech insights.